The current mode PWM controller UC3845B is a high-performance fixed-frequency current mode controller. This current mode PWM is specifically designed for offline and DC-to-DC converter applications, offering the designer a cost-effective solution with minimal external components. This PWM controller features an oscillator, a temperature-compensated reference, high-gain error amplifier, current-sensing comparator, and a high-current totem pole output ideally suited for driving a power MOSFET. Also included are protective features consisting of input and reference undervoltage lockouts, each with hysteresis, cycle-by-cycle current limiting, a latch for single-pulse metering, and a flip-flop which blanks the output of every other oscillator cycle, allowing output dead times to be programmed from 50% to 70%. Features of high-performance current mode PWM controller UC3845B. Trimmed oscillator for precise frequency control. Oscillator frequency guaranteed at 250 kHz. Current mode operation to 500 kHz output switching frequency. Output dead time adjustable from 50% to 70%. Automatic feed-forward compensation. Latching PWM for cycle-by-cycle current limiting. Internally trimmed reference with undervoltage lockout. High current totem pole output. Undervoltage lockout with hysteresis. Low startup and operating current. Specifications of best 8 pins PWM controller IC UC3845B. Supply voltage, low impedance source 30V. Supply voltage, 2 less than 30 mA self-limiting. Output current, plus or minus 1A. Output energy, capacitive load 5J. Analog inputs, pins 2, 3, 0.3 to 5.5V. Error amplifier output sync current, 10 mA. Power dissipation at TAM. Less than or equal to 25 degrees Celsius, mini dip, 1.25 W, power dissipation at TAM, less than or equal to 25 degrees Celsius, so 800 milliwatts, storage temperature range, 65 to 150 degrees Celsius. Operating temperature, 40 to 150 degrees Celsius. Temperature, soldering tens 300 degrees Celsius. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon button.